All dear warriors, I am here with a new video relating to delegation and decentralization of authority. So some of the students facing some problem relating to this concept, so they requested me to make a video on this, so that is why we are making a video relating to this. Delegation is an administration process of getting things done through others by giving them responsibility. All important decisions are taken at top level by board of directors. Okay, execution is entrusted to chief executive. See, in simple, delegation means one person is getting things done through others. Okay, in management, what is management means? Management is nothing but getting things done through others. हम क्या करना, दूसरों से काम कराने का रहता है, right? So to do that, whatever authority we are having, such things should be given to the other so that they can do some activity which is assigned. To get things done, chief executive officer assigns the work to departmental manager who in turn delegate the authority to the subordinate. So एक हेड ऑफिसर जो है अपने नीचे काम करने वाले दूसरे बंदे को क्या कर रहा, ही इज असाइनिंग हिज वर्क टू द अदर एज वेल एज इज गिविंग सम अथॉरिटी. दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ top to down, whatever authority is being given to perform the duties is nothing but called as delegation. Every superior delegates the authority to subordinate for getting particular work done. The process goes on to level where actual work is executed, from top level to middle level to lower level, it will get down. So this process is nothing but we call it as delegation. I'll tell one more example, definition also. Delegation takes place one person gives another right to perform work on his behalf and his name, and second person accept the corresponding duty obligation to do what is required by him. So first person is delegating the authority, second person is accepting and doing the task. Okay, see, this is what delegation means. I'll tell one more simple example. Okay, to maintain the class, what lecturer will do, lecturer will tell, or teacher will tell the student to make the see to that class should be silent గా ఉండేటట్టు చూడమని చెప్తారు, ఖామోష్ रहने के लिए. And at the same time they'll give some authority to that student to note down the names or the person who are making noise in the class. So what that student will do, that student will write the names on the board of all those, right? This is what happens. So they are giving some authority to do particular task. That is nothing but delegation. There are certain characteristics of delegation. You can see here. Delegation of power, okay, means whatever power they are having, manager grants some of his powers to the subordinate. Authority is delegated, only authority will be delegated. Okay, the person who is having authority himself has that, जो अपने पास जो पावर है उन्होंने ही दूसरों को दे सकते हैं. डेलीगेटर कैन नॉट चेंज अथॉरिटी, उन्होंने अपना अथॉरिटी चेंज नहीं कर सकता, बट ही कैन गिव इट टू दी सम अदर. रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज नॉट डेलीगेटेड. ओके, आई एम असाइनिंग वर्क टू समवन एल्स to do that, but who will be held responsible? Superior only will be held responsible. Responsibility will not be delegated. Entire authority cannot be delegated. पूरा का पूरा authority नहीं देते, थोड़ा सा देते हैं. and delegation does not reduce the authority. By delegating the authority to the student, don't be lecturer will be lecturer, right? They will be lecturer always or teacher in the class. So these are the important characteristics of delegation. Okay. Next, what is decentralization? Okay, decentralization of authority. Decentralization is a process where whole organization setup, okay, functions of organizations, okay, or structure of the organization, activities of the organization will be divided in different location or different departments. This process is known as where each individual has the authority and responsibility and to make business decisions. This process is called decentralization. Okay, see, decentralization refers to the systematic effort to delegate the lowest level all authority except which can only exercised at the central point. So सेंट्रल वाले अपना अथॉरिटी रख लेके पूरा अथॉरिटी क्या कर रहे हैं, दे आर गिविंग टू द अदर्स. Decentralization is a situation in which ultimate authority to command and ultimate responsibility for result is located as down in the organization as efficient management of the organization permits. Is nothing but they are saying total authority जो भी करने का है वो and total responsibility will be delegated. This process is called decentralization. So in decentralization, division of group of functions or activities, I said na, group of functions or activities into relatively autonomous units which are authority and responsibility, overall authority and responsibility for their operation delegated to head of each unit. Each unit के लिए एक हेड बनाते हैं, वो हेड विल बी टेक केयरिंग ऑफ द थिंग्स टू बी डन. एक बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या करते हैं, ऐसे वाले चीजें करते हैं. ओके, सो इन decentralization will be done overall for the overall organization. Okay, extension of delegation, ये डेलीगेशन का एक एक्सटेंशन है डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन. ओके, इन delegation authority given to the lowest level of management. Decentralization decision making power are diversified or proper lowest level of ओके ओनली अथॉरिटी देते वर्क करने के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पे डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर भी दे रहे हैं इन केस ऑफ डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन. रोल ऑफ सबऑर्डिनेट इज इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, इन केस ऑफ डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन reduce the work at top level. टॉप लेवल का कुछ काम नहीं रहेगा, जस्ट दे विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द एंटायर वर्क इनटू डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स. इसे डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन बोलते हैं. एंड each unit or department to whom they have decentralized, they will take care of their decisions. Suppose there are 3 production departments. Okay, 3 production department, production department 1, production department 2, production department 3. How much quantity to be produced at each unit, each production unit? Production manager will be there. That manager will take care of the decisions relating to how much quantity need to be produced at what time. Okay, and they will be held responsible for whatever decisions taken. Okay, authority goes to implementation of level. Okay, in this authority will be get down till the point of their implementation. So that is why superior and subordinate, okay, क्या होता इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे सुपीरियर विल गिव देयर पावर टू द सबऑर्डिनेट्स. ओके, डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इट इज ए प्रोसेस. ओके, एक सिस्टम है. ओके, इन केस ऑफ as compared to the delegation. And there are certain factors, all those things are not needed in this question. First you need to write about what is delegation, what is decentralization, then you write about these points, okay, relating to distinguish between decentralization and delegation. This is what student is asked about, so that is we are going to discuss. Distinguish between decentralization and delegation. People will use these words interchangeably, but दोनों एक ही जैसे है लगते हैं, लेकिन एक ही नहीं है. Even though both involve डिस्पर्सल ऑफ अथॉरिटी, दोनों में भी क्या होता, अथॉरिटी एक दूसरे के दे रहे हैं. बट डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इज एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डेलीगेशन. डेलीगेशन में थोड़ा पावर अथॉरिटी सुपीरियर इज गिविंग टू सबऑर्डिनेट टू डू द टास्क. ओके, बट इन डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इट इज नॉट सो. ओवरऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन work, objectives, everything will be considered in case of decentralization. So that is the major difference between both of them. So let us see one by one what are the differences between these two. Nature. Delegation is individualistic, means one person superior will give over their right आर पावर टू दी सबऑर्डिनेट. जैसे कि टीचर स्टूडेंट को अपना अथॉरिटी थोड़ा दे रहे हैं वैसा. बट इन केस ऑफ डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इट इज टोटलिस्टिक नेचर. इट इन्वॉल्व्स डेलीगेशन फ्रॉम टॉप मैनेजमेंट टू दी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ और डिविजनल लेवल. मीन्स सपोज आई सेड ना, there are 3 departments, production departments. So production department 1, production department 2, production department 3, and this manager, whoever is there, production department manager, that manager will make the rules, regulations, and all the plans, etc., etc., and they will make the decision relating to it. So it is totalistic nature, not individual. एक पर्सन दूसरे को दे रहा वैसा नहीं है. एक फंक्शन of the organization or group of activities of the organization will be decentralized. ओके, एक के हाथ में कंट्रोल नहीं रखते हुए सब डिवाइड करके, ओके, डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसी यूज करना डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन है इन सिंपल. ओके, कंट्रोल rests with the delegator or superior. In case of delegation, control will be with the superior itself. In case of decentralization, it is not so. In this system, top management exercise the minimum control. All powers are given to the concerned department or division. Suppose there are 2 departments or 3 departments, say department of BCom, department of BBA, department of BSc, like this. Okay, so control will be with the each department head. Okay, how the functioning, how the results, everything will be in their hands. They'll make the rules, regulations. Okay, need. डेलीगेशन इज एसेंशियल टू गेट थिंग्स डन थ्रू अदर्स. आप दूसरों से काम कराना चाहते तो क्या करना पड़ता, अपना पास जो పవర్ है उसको दूसरों को थोड़ा देना పడతా. మన దగ్గర ఉన్న దాంట్లో నుంచి కొంచెం వేరే వాళ్ళకి ఇయ్యాలి, అప్పుడే ఆ పని చేయగలుగుతారు. అదర్వైజ్ దే కాంట్ డూ ది వర్క్, రైట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫికల్ట్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ ది అసైన్డ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ, రైట్? Decentralization is optional because if management want, they can divide and rule, otherwise entire college will be given instruction by one itself. Okay, like that. In case of responsibility, in delegation, responsibility remains with the delegator. He can delegate authority, not responsibility. In decentralization, it is not so. Okay, department head are responsible for all the activities under him, because in decentralization they are making it division of entire system or activity or function or the group. Okay, that is why it is called decentralization. So head is responsible, and authority and responsibility both will be delegated in case of decentralization. Please remember this one. So सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. Prepare the best to perform better than the best. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब तक पहुंचा दो. होप दिस क्वेश्चन शुड कम इन द एग्जाम. जय हिंद.